Okay, so this is probably tutorial 16. I probably should have checked this, but we need to set up all these virtual machines. There's a playlist that goes through this. I think it's just virtual machine setup or something, or virtual machine shoots. Basically, Windows 2013, I'm still having issues running, and I'll probably have to redo that a bit later. It might be because I'm running it on 64-bit, but I'm assuming that x64 means that it's a 64-bit system, not a 32-bit, so I'll give that a shot a bit later. If you see this tutorial in the virtual machine shoots, then I've figured it out. But aside from that, Meta Victim is just a Ubuntu 32-bit. ULAMP is 32-bit other Linux I've used because I couldn't find anyone that said that it was a Ubuntu or anything like that. Victim 2000 has a couple of tutorials to follow through, as it was the largest install. Victim XP was a pretty simple one, just plug them up, just run through the setup and into some details. It was a little bit easier than Victim 2000. And Victim 7, which as you can see is running, was the simplest one. You just plugged in and played, and it went through pretty much all by itself. You just have to enter details 3 or 4 times. The Kali Linux tutorial is currently in the Kali Linux tutorials. So this is just the virtual machine of it. And I will try to get that copied over to the other playlist, but I might not have time to do that right now. But all I know is that you'll have Kali set up if you're doing these tutorials, because otherwise there's no real, well, Kali Linux or Backtrack. You'll have one of them set up if you're going to do these tutorials. Remember to have it on have it also on a VirtualBox, because it is just so much easier not having to worry about crippling your system with some changes that you might make. And I have had to actually reinstall Kali 2 or 3 times because of some minor issues. What you will see in the Kali tute is that I accidentally use I think other Linux 64-bit, which is one of the reasons why I've had any issues with it. So I use the Debian or Debian, I don't know what it is, 64-bit for me. Just depends on which CD you're using. Aside from that, I'll see you guys later.